Hello friends, welcome to Literary Diary. Friends, today's video will make you know about some important political, social, cultural and literary events and situations from the Renaissance to the Restoration period. So come on, let's start the session.
Okay, so the first time span is from 1515 to 1516, which is important for Renaissance and beginning of the sonnet written in English by Sir Thomas Watt in imitation of Petrarch.
Then the next year, 1517, is important because of the Protestant Reformation under Martin Luther and because of the publication of the Utopia by Thomas More.
Later we have 1535, which is important for the execution of Sir Thomas More. And then in the year of 1558, Elizabeth I became queen. And then we have 1578, which is important for the publication of John Lilly's Euphus, the Anatomy of Wit. Okay, so later we have the year 1579, which is important for the publication of Sir Edmund Spenser's The Shepherd's Calendar. And then we have 1580, which is important for the publication of Sir Philip Sidney's Arcady. Next we have 1587 to 1588, which is important for Christopher Marlowe's famous play Tamburlaine. And then the year 1590 is important because of Edmund Spenser's The Faerie Queene. And then in the year 1593, Christopher Marlowe was killed. And in the year 1595, Amity was written by Edmund Spenser. Later we have the year of 1596, which is important for Spenser's The Faerie Queene. And then we have 1597, which is important for Bacon's publication of the Essays. Okay. So then we have the year of 1599, which is important for the erection of the Globe Theatre by the Puritans. And then we have the time span from 1590 to 1613 or 14. It is important because of Shakespeare's plays. And later we have 1598 to 1614, which is important for Ben Jonson's Comedy of Humor. And then the year 1616 is important because of the death of William Shakespeare. And then we have the year 1637, which is important because of the publication of Lycidas by John Milton. And then the year 1642 is important because the king's means Charles I's conflict with Parliament and deposition. And then there we have the year 1643, which is important for the publication of Areopagitica by John Milton. And then 1649 is important because of the execution of Charles I. And 1658 is important because of the death of Cromwell, Oliver Cromwell. And lastly we have the year of 1660, which is also known as the Restoration period. And in this period, Charles II brought back and the monarchy restored. So this is it for today's video, friends. Hope you like this video, and if you find this video relevant for your studies, then please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment and share. So bye bye, see you in the next session.